Next sum number 7. What's the question? Cot square alpha into sec alpha minus 1 by 1 plus sin alpha plus sec square alpha into sin alpha minus 1 by sec alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. This only we are to prove. Okay. Now again same as before, let's start from the left hand side. I'm not going to write the left hand side again. So when you will write, you should write the left hand side part at first, then you start the solution. Now cot square alpha, just do the LCM. What is the LCM? Sin alpha plus 1 into sec alpha plus 1. So it will be sec alpha minus 1 into sec alpha plus 1, and here sec square alpha sin alpha minus 1 into sin alpha plus 1. Got it? Now a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So it's coming sec square alpha minus 1, and same as before, same as here also. A minus b into a plus b, so sin square alpha minus 1. Okay. Now 1 plus tan square alpha is equal to sec square alpha, that we know. So sec square alpha minus 1, that will give us tan square alpha. So write it, tan square alpha. And cot square alpha already existing. Plus sec square alpha into sin square alpha minus 1. Sin square alpha minus 1, which gives us, because minus cos square alpha. Why? Because sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So sin square alpha minus 1 will be minus cos square alpha. Okay. And denominator part, it will be sin alpha plus 1 into sec alpha plus 1. Okay. So cot square alpha into tan square alpha, we know cot alpha and tan alpha, these are reciprocal, so it gives us 1, plus sec square alpha and cos square alpha, also cos alpha and sec alpha also reciprocal, so it will be plus minus minus, so we can write minus 1 here. So divided by sin alpha plus 1 into sec alpha plus 1. So 1 minus 1 gives us 0, by the same thing sin alpha plus 1 into sec alpha plus 1, which gives us 0, which is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay. Coming with the next sum. Okay. Next sum number 2. Now we have to solve. Solve means we have to find the value of theta. We have to find the value of theta. Okay. Take sum number 2. Solve for theta, where theta range is given 0 less equals to theta less equals to 90 degree. What's the question? Question is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Here we have to find the value of theta. Very simple. Now tan theta and cot theta, both we have to represent in terms of sine and cos. Then what we will write? Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to 2. Now do the LCM. What we will get here? Sin theta cos theta, and here it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2. Okay. Then what we will get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. 2 sin theta cos theta, take it to the left side, then it is coming minus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. Now a square plus b square minus twice ab. So it is sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equal to 0. Okay. Now when sin theta minus cos theta whole square equals to 0, therefore sin theta is equal to cos theta, because sin theta minus cos theta equals to 0, therefore sin theta equals to cos theta, which gives us sin theta by cos theta is equal to 1, that is equals to tan theta equals to 1. Okay, when tan theta equals to 1, we know 1 is the value for tan 45 degree. So write here tan 45 degree. So what is the value of theta then? Theta equals to 45 degree. This is the answer. Okay. Next sum number 2 part 2. Again solve, we have to find the value. find the value of theta. What is the question? 2 cos square theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to 4. Okay, instead of cos square theta, write 1 minus sin square theta. Then what we will write? 1 minus sin square theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to 4. Okay, so it is coming 2 minus 2 sin square theta plus 5 sin theta minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now 2 minus 4, this is coming minus 2, so minus 2 sin square theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, now take common minus, then what we will get? 2 sin square theta minus 5 sin theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will find the factors. 2 sin square theta minus 4, 2 2s are 4, so it's coming minus 4 sin theta minus sin theta, as it is plus both sides, so minus plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now take common 2 sin theta, then what we will get here? Only sin theta minus 2. Okay, and this is also sin theta minus 2 equals to 0. Now this is minus sin theta, so write here minus 1. Minus sin theta minus 1 is plus 2. So what are the factors? 2 sin theta minus 1 and sin theta minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now 2 sin theta minus 1 equals to 0, therefore sin theta is equal to half. Sin theta is equal to half means theta equals to 30 degree, because sin 30 is equals to half, that we know. And this value sin theta minus 2 is equal to 0, this we cannot take. Sin theta is equal to 2, because 2, since sin theta is equal to 2, we know sin theta value cannot be taken as 2, this. Okay, which cannot be taken, this is avoided. Okay, so what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, next sum number 3 to part 3. Same thing, solution. That means we have to find the value of theta. Tan square theta minus root 3 plus 1 tan theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now which implies tan square theta, just tan square theta multiply tan theta and minus root 3 theta, it will be minus root 3 tan theta, and my plus minus minus, it is minus tan theta plus root 3. Okay, now take common tan theta from here, then what you will get? Tan theta minus root 3. Got it? Now here also we will write tan theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. This is coming minus tan theta minus minus plus root 3, so it is coming tan theta minus 1 into tan theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. From here we can write tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degree, as tan 45 degree is equal to 1. And from here what we will write? Tan theta minus root 3 is equal to 0. Therefore tan theta is equal to root 3. Root 3 is the value of tan 60 degree. Therefore tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. This is another value. So from this solution we get the value of theta. There are two values of theta. One is 45 degree, another is 60 degree. Okay. Okay. Next sum. Number 6. part 6. Okay, what is the question? 2 sin theta tan theta plus 1 is equal to tan theta plus 2 sin theta. Okay, now 2 sin theta tan theta plus 1, just take all these terms to the left hand side, then what we will get? 2 sin theta tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. Okay, now 2 sin theta tan theta and minus 2 sin theta, from these two take common 2 sin theta, then what we will get? We will get tan theta minus 1. Okay, and here also just write tan theta minus, factor is common, factor is tan theta minus 1. This is minus tan theta, so write here minus 1, minus tan minus minus plus 1 is there. So we get one factor as tan theta minus 1 and second factor as 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, same as before. So product of these two factors equals to 0. So tan theta minus 1 equals to 0. So tan theta is equal to 1. Now theta is equal to 45 degree. This is one value. And what is another value? Here 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin theta is equal to half. Sin theta is equal to half, and we know sin 30 degree is equal to half. So right here sin theta is equal to sin 30 degree. So what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. So now again we get two values of theta. One is 45 degree, another is 30 degree. Okay. Now next sum coming with next video.